The tamarisk is a desert tree that's especially well adapted to salty conditions. It takes salt up from the ground together with water and expels the excess salt through its leaves. The leaves collect water and the water drips to the ground, taking the excess salt with it. This process creates a cycle, a recycling of salt. The salt that constantly drops to the ground prevents other plants from germinating and competing for limited water. How does the tamarisk get its water? Firstly, it sends a deep root down to get to the groundwater. Secondly, in the desert, there can be rare and unpredictable outbursts of rain. To access this water, the tamarisk also has roots that spread laterally, far and wide. The tamarisk is known to us from the Bible. When Abram reached Beersheba, the first thing he did was to plant a tamarisk tree. He sat underneath it, welcoming people and teaching them to receive God's blessing. Why the tamarisk? In Hebrew, the tamarisk's name eshel is also an abbreviation for the words food, drink and accommodation. All these things can be obtained from the tree. As we heard, water can be collected from the leaves which drip, and the tree provides good shelter from the sun for sleeping. But what about the food? There's an aphid that attaches itself to the tamarisk tree, and this aphid excretes something known as honeydew. This is a sweet liquid that can be collected and eaten. Many people think that the manna delivered to the children of Israel in the desert was actually honeydew that they collected from the tamarisk tree.